Hi Abdi, this is your news. So I'm doing it at the border again, kind of between England and Scotland. Now, and the article I did last week was about Ukrainian and Russian, and Scots and English, and just about kind of other pairs of languages that exist, kind of like Danish and Norwegian, Slovak, Czech, Urdu, Hindi. You have all these other leagues around the world, kind that are similar, but Abdi kinds are two separate leagues. Nobody's debating whether Danish and Norwegian are a leader now. It's just nobody's speaking about it. And same why with Ukrainian and Russian. So I did this article about it. And ken what happened? My account got hacked. I still can't get back in to my personal Facebook, my personal Instagram. It's for somebody from Ukraine, I think. The emails about it are in Ukrainian for my Instagram. So this is just no fair. Whatever it is. It's just dinner. I was after doing stuff that's no political. I was only speaking about the fact. Again, Ukrainian and Russian are fairly similar. You didn't need a gang and gang after it. I only care about Scotland and Scots. I'm not after splitting up nobody or doing anything. I'm no political. I'm just about upholding Scots. Scotland's amazing. Scotland's for Scots folk to decide what we're going to do with it. And I'm not going to tell my readers fit what I think. I'm just going to give you facts about what's going on. And you can make up your own minds. Because Abdi for our sides of the political spectrum, Scots. It's not just for independent supporters, not just for anybody. Scots is for Abdi. But if you like more Scots, go and like and subscribe for more news. Hopefully the website will keep on going, and when it gets started by hackers, it just didn't care what it is. It's no fair. Just try to do some things with Scots. They have to be attacked like this, but like and subscribe for more.